What's up everyone, it's your boy Richie Beats. I hope you guys good and doing safe during these quarantine times. Hopefully you staying at home and putting in that work just like me. Look at how crusty I am. Shows that I'm always out there putting that work. Shout out to Guap200 for requesting this video. So I'll be making more of this type videos, man. They're pretty fun because I like engaging with you guys. You feel me? I'll probably be going live over a couple of days as well. I'll see how that goes. But then if you didn't know, DaBaby dropped an album called Blame It on Baby. So there's a song in there featuring Roddy Ricch called Rockstar. I like that song, it's dope. I like the beat, so I'll be making that type of beat right now. So yeah, please subscribe, comment and request anything you want to do. Just request below in the comment section and like the video. Let's get it. Cool, let's get it. So this will be like a fusion of Jason made Aero 8s with Roddy Ricch type of guitar. So I'm gonna go look for a guitar on Omnisphere, and I already found one here called Fingerstyle Acoustic 18-string B. Sounds pretty nice. So let's see what we can come up with here. Cool, let me record that and just put that down before I forget it. Cool, that sounds dope, man. I like that. That sounds so melodic. By the way, it's my first time making a guitar beat actually. Yeah, I think so. So let me quantize this. Let's see how it sounds like. Let me make them a bit longer, man. By the way, I can play keys and stuff. I just play what I want to play. Okay. Cool. So the thing is now, if I could play, I'll probably just go back up there. But then now I'm gonna just sequence it. That's what I want. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna go jump straight to the 808. I'll be using Jason made another one's 808. Here we at Jason. So you can see where to put your keys for the 808. So now I know. But I like playing the 808 on the MPK Mini because when you're playing it, it feels real. Okay, let me just quantize this. Cool. So now I need a hi-hat. I like that one. Nice and cool. You gotta trap until you find the correct one. Sounds like it has some bass on it, so I'm gonna cut out that bass right quick with the EQ. Like that clap already, cymatics, amazing. Okay, cool. So now I'm gonna add what I'm good at. I mean, what I think I'm the best at, the kicks. And I love this kick from CJ Beats. It's amazing, and it's like an old drum kit, but I use it all the time. It's amazing. So with the kick, I just copy the pattern of the 808, put it here. Then of course the kick, I don't want it to be melodic. I might take it to C. Oh snap! What am I doing? Cancel, you stupid thing. Okay, cool. Okay, I made a stupid thing, so I need to take this one to the top. Tap, tap, down. No. Yeah, boy. So you wanna hear the kick? Well, I think there's a better way, but I like to boost my kicks like this, then I mix and master at the end. It's a bit too loud though. Let me put this limiter back. I'm gonna mix and master it at the end though, not now. But I just like doing this to the limiter because it makes a sound. Cool. So I think what's missing is the open. And I'm on the snapping one around for the streets. And I'm on the snapping one roll for the streets. If I could sing, man, I would make amazing music. Okay, cool. So let me just put it into patterns a bit. Hope you guys saw what happened here. It was pretty simple. All I used was the guitar, hi-hat, clap and kick and crash and open. Oh snap! There's one thing that I'm mixing. That I'm missing. I'm actually missing a percussion. Yeah. Most of Roddy Ricch beats have this. This I messes with this, bro. Hey. Okay, cool. So now I'm gonna put into patterns quickly for y'all. So this feels like too quick when the song is starting, right? But guess what I'm gonna do? Anybody with the answer, put it in the comment section. Just pause the video, put it in the comment section. Don't cheat, right? Okay. So what am I gonna do to make it sound better as an intro? Gross beat. Haha. Always works. Might not work, but you know, making beats all about trying different things. You know, you'll never know what'll come out right. I like that. So I'm gonna actually only make it at the start. So what I did now. I'm creating an automation. So I want this gross beat to only be applied at the start. So what I do is that I take it all the way up there. That's the intro. So the intro is here. So from here I don't want it anymore. So if I put this here, you're gonna hear. I like that laugh. Did you hear that? Sound like Young Jeezy. So let it go straight to the hook, man. That's what Roddy Ricch Roddy Ricch likes doing that. DaBaby likes rapping too much. So I'm gonna make it go straight to the hook first. Okay, cool. What you can do is that you can also make it a curve. Is this a curve? Yeah, like make it some, you know, so that it can, so the gross beat can transform slowly. Listen to that. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm not gonna take it all the way to the bottom. I'm gonna leave it here. So in the background, it can be this. It's gonna provide some sense of melody in there. Hey. So that's it, you know, the verse I'll do it later, you know, and then I'm gonna put this beat down fully. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, man. I really appreciate it. Please comment below if you want me to make another video of any other song or any other type of beat, you feel me. And this beat is also available for purchase down there. Just click on the link below and then you're good, man. I appreciate that. You know, request. I'm out. Peace.